Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna talk about my experience about G35 Infiniti, about the code U1000. So that code pretty much is a loose communication from the transmission. Maybe it's a ground, something wrong on it. So we're gonna show you what's supposed to be doing. And some people, they have issue when you get that code, they can't able to start the car because the ECM doesn't respond like what's wrong to the car. So if the car happened all this problem for you, I gotta show you the tricks how you can start to fix them. And if your car is not tuned yet, you add many parts on the car and you didn't tune it, it can cause this code can come in again too. So let's see what's gonna be showing you today. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see everything. Stay with me. So number one, always you have to see your terminal, battery terminal. So like this one here. So if the low terminal too can cause that code too, and also too that here, the sensor up here, this connection ground, and the ground those. So all you have to do is disconnect the battery, remove those bolts, and clean the wire with the ground for all of those. It is rusty a little bit, clean them. And if you want to change the wire, change it better too from this side too, this side here too. Sometimes the ground is not good for with the car. And another thing too is a ground, most people not showing it, is close to the brake fluid here, up here. See the ground, this one here is a ground too. So make sure you clean that one too, because that one is for the body. You have to make sure you clean it and you put it back, and you reset the ECU. So last video I showed you how to reset the ECU. And if your car doesn't want to start, you know, when you have this code, all you have to do, come into the negative side of the battery, disconnect it, go inside the car and pump the brakes. Keep pumping the brakes at least like 15 seconds. Count until 20. And after that, put the battery back and the car, they're gonna be started like normal. So another thing the code can cause too, if you have a low brake fluid. Always check your brake fluid, make sure your brake fluid is full, or your brake pads too. If you have a bad brake pads, the code can show up on your ABS and the car is not able to start too. So this is what G35 350Z Nissan. So this will have to do terminal and wire, like low communication, wire another side and wire another side, or change the battery terminal, and the car be starts. And easy guys to fix all that, doesn't take you nowhere. And the second thing we're going to talk about, if your car has a lot of aftermarket parts, if you have a spacer, cold intake, test pipe exhaust, high performance exhaust, and you didn't tune the car yet, so what's happened, there is not enough, there is too much flow to your engine. So what's happened, your ECM or ECU program a lot of code, so too many flow, you don't know what's happened, you don't know what's the position of the transmission of the injection or all that. So it's better to take your car to tune it, and like that you can know what's the issue. And as soon as you turn the car is gonna start drive like normal. And this is what it is, guys. Yeah, it's easy to fix all that. You just have to make intention with everything, because my car is not tuned yet, so I have a lot of aftermarket parts, so a lot of flow to my engine. So all that make me a lot of problem, because when you add too much flow to the engine, and especially when you take it to drive fast and race, whatever you do, this we get a lot of code. And it's better to get someone tune the car or take it to the dyno, and the car be driving like normal again. And thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Like that we keep showing you a lot of tricks. Thank you.